Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the board inside your project and selecting a template that matches workflow. This matters because templates require rules and reporting. Once created, add core columns so work flows predictably and assign owners to a few exemplar cards to teach the team the cadence. Make sure to set priorities and tags now, because consistent metadata enables filtering and metrics. Finally, invite the small core team and demo creating and moving an item so everyone sees the lifecycle in action. Once the board exists, you configure workflows to match real processes. This reduces manual updates and errors. You should modify states and transitions per item type so the board enforces expected approvals and reviewers. Then add automations like auto-assign on move, status change triggers, and Slack or email notifications to keep stakeholders aligned. Also integrate repos and pipelines so each card shows commits and build results. This connection is crucial for traceability and faster incident resolution. You run the board with discipline, daily stand-ups, work-in-progress limits, and swim lanes to keep focus and control flow. Once per week, review metrics like lead and cycle time to identify bottlenecks and adjust policies. This is how continuous improvement happens. Make sure to archive stale items and refine rules after retrospectives so the board evolves with the team. If something breaks, reauthorize integrations and verify permission scopes immediately to restore links between commits, pipelines, and cards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.